Next tool is color replacement tool. Okay, so if you open the image which I saved now, first select the part in the image which you want to, where you want to change the color, like in this full shirt. So I will select now, after pencil tool, color replacement tool, so it will work with the background color. Okay, see. Okay, see, this is now buttons are there. See, this logo is there, this logo is there, so it looks like, it looks a shirt. Okay, but if you change the color with brush tool, not with color replacement tool, so brush tool will change like this. See, nothing is appearing here, not logo, not even from top, huh? So it should be this one, color replacement tool. So any color like this one. So now see, it looks like a shirt. Everything is there, only the color is changed. Okay, this is color replacement tool. You can try.